So back here on the Sunbeam, got the new needle and seat in down there. You can kind of see them. Got all that in, got the float back in and cleaned up. Next step, we're gonna get our accelerator pump all handled. Get all that stuff together, get our squirter done, and we gonna move forward. Okay, the piston for our accelerator pumps in. Here's the check ball for our squirter. I actually got it where it needs to go. You can see it down there. So now I'm gonna get our squirter in. All right, so next step, put the top on our main body. Got our gasket lined up. Gonna make sure this gets in our accelerator pump here. And away we go. All right, so got our throttle plate all back on our front carb, and I am not a fan of the amount of play that's in here, mainly because, well, that could lead to a vacuum leak for sure. But really worn, but I guess we'll give it a shot. I don't know if we want to take this apart and bush it, but that will take some time. I really don't like this at all. That could bind and become a stuck throttle. That's bad. There's a lot of end play. Of course, we couldn't notice that when there was so much gook that it wouldn't move, but it's bad.